What to do if you have a dispute over vehicle repairs. If you have been involved in a car accident that resulted in a lot of damage to your vehicle, you may have to wait a bit of time before your car is fixed and you can get back on the road again. The good news is we can help prepare you for the types of disputes that may arise when the damage to your vehicle is estimated and repaired. If you have sustained an injury as a result of a car accident that was another driver's fault, please speak to a personal injury lawyer as you may have a personal injury claim. Why there may be a repair dispute. You probably already have a good idea as to how much it will cost to completely repair your vehicle. However, if the insurance company has inspected your vehicle and made its own estimates, there may be a dispute surrounding how much it will cost to fix your car. The good news is there are a few factors that you can take into account when negotiating a settlement with an insurance adjuster. First things first, before you begin negotiations, you should make sure that the adjuster and yourself have written copies of the inspection reports and estimates, as these will be the basis of the negotiations. Therefore, the more information your estimates have, the easier it will be to argue their accuracy when comparing them to the estimate that the insurance company gave you. Let's take a look at the ways you can argue that your estimate is the right one. An unrealistic estimate. Regardless of whether the insurance company you are communicating with is your own or is the company another drive uses, if their estimate has been based on their inspection as opposed to an inspection that was undertaken by a repair shop, you may have an argument. This is especially the case if the estimate is an unrealistic figure and doesn't reflect the real cost of repairing your vehicle. If the insurance adjuster cannot guarantee that a local repair shop can repair your vehicle to an expert level for the estimated amount, then the figure they have given you holds no weight. The estimate is incomplete. When you take a look at the estimate the insurance company has given you, you will need to make sure that it's complete. Oftentimes estimates are made by taking a guess at how much it would cost to repair a vehicle, as opposed to asking someone to take a look at every damaged part and subsequently work out how much it would cost. If the estimate has not been itemized, you may be able to argue that it's incomplete or too vague for you to take seriously. An estimate for improper repairs. If your car is an expensive one, if it's rare or new, you should expect that your estimate would be made by a repair shop that specializes in your car's brand or make. If it becomes apparent that the estimate did not take this into account, you may have an argument. This is because your insurance company or that of the at-fault drivers should repair your vehicle so that it is in the same condition that it was in before the accident occurred. If the estimate fails to mention the parts that need to be used as well as their cost and that they should be factory authorized replacement parts, there's a good chance that you have an argument. This is because the estimate is highly inadequate and will, therefore, need amending. If the repair shop or facility that undertakes the estimate does not use the parts that are needed to repair your car, the estimate should be disregarded. If you think your car may be totaled and you have a dispute, please read our article about insurance disputes for more information.